Find S sub 9 for the geometric series 11 plus 22 plus 44 plus etc. So let's identify. The first term, a sub 1, is 11. R, the common ratio, we could take 22 divided by 11, or we could take 44 divided by 22, and they will, of course, both yield the same result, that the common ratio is 2. We want to find the sum all the way up to n equals 9. So the formula for the sum, S sub n, is equal to 1 times 1 minus r to the n divided by 1 minus r. Substituting, we want the sum of the first 9 terms. So S sub 9 is equal to, I'm sorry, this is the first term. I forgot my 1 there, so a sub 1. The first term is 11. Then we multiply that times 1 minus r, which is 2, raised to the n, which in this case is 9. And we're going to divide all of that by 1 minus r, which is 1 minus 2. This would be equal to S sub 9 equals 11 times 1 minus 512 divided by negative 1. 1 minus 512 is negative 511. And that's all divided by a negative 1. And now we multiply 11 times negative 511, divide that by a negative 1, so the answer is positive, and the summation of the first 9 terms is equal to 5,621.